Tired of hunting for Elementor's review widget only to hit a paywall? Unlock and add it to your site in under 3 minutes. First, the Pro menu reveals where the widget lives. Then we'll handle the upgrade prompt and place reviews on your page. Go ahead and edit the home page with Elementor so you can start adding your widget. Then click on the highlighted element to select it. Now, click on Pro to open up the Pro features. Then choose Reviews from the list. Click on Use Reviews widget and dozens more Pro features to extend your toolbox. Then hit Upgrade Now to continue. Finally, click on the highlight one more time, and that wraps it up. Happy building! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.